In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this poster effect with these rough textures in Inkscape. First of all, I'll create a white rectangle. Make sure snapping is turned on. And I right click and lock the selected object so you won't be able to move it. I'll select the text tool and type in something, and I'll give it a color of black. Double click and select all and make the spacing 0, or you can adjust it to however you like. I'll give it around -20. Hold Ctrl to lock proportions while resizing. Ctrl D to duplicate and double click and select all. Now you have this text. Let's create these lines. I'll create a rectangle and I'll Ctrl D to duplicate and hold Ctrl and bring it down horizontally. Now select both and make it a path by going to path, object to path. Now under extensions, go to generate from path and interpolate so that I can create lines in between these. So if I live preview, you can see I have 10 selected. Now if I apply, you can see this is a separate group. I'll ungroup this and select all, and I'll make this into one object by going to path union. Now this is a single object. So create this yellow background as well, and I'll send it backwards and one step forward. Now we have these smooth shapes. Let's make this rough. First of all, select both, select the words and make them a path. Make it a single object. Now we can select both and go to path, path effects, and we can add a path effect. Let's select one single object and I'll add the roughen path. If I add this, you can see it becomes rough. You can play with these values. So this is the displacement in the horizontal axis, so I'll make it around 2, and this is the vertical axis. I'll make it 2 as well, or maybe 4. So you can play with these sizes. I'll make this around 2. You can see we can give different values. Now we can do this for the lines as well. I'll change this color, and you can apply the same thing for this yellow background, and you can play with these values as well. So let's make this around 2. Can randomize. So I'll keep it at this. So I hope you learned something new today. Thanks for watching.